hear that?
Sky trumpets!
And the trumpets will sound. Corinthians 15:52.
They know what's coming.
Welcome back to The Imperfect. My name is Armin. I do paranormal content. If you're new to the channel, please consider dropping a follow. We have this goal this year of raising 150 bikes for kids this Christmas. We're doing a decent job, but we're still kind of far off. Anyway, let's jump back into this. Corinthians 15:52. Y'all know what that is, right? If you don't, you feel free to Google it. It did say the trumpets will sound, right? Here lately, we've been having such things like blood rain. We've been having historical floods worldwide that are just biblical in proportion, like it's just insane. Not just that, we're having hurricanes hit historic levels with a level 5, a category 5 that hit Jamaica. But now this?
Bro, I'm shaking.
I'm gonna play the full clip at the end because this is not in just one location. And I did make sure to double check that this wasn't some overlaid audio because people like doing things like that. It's not. People worldwide are reporting the strange trumpet noise. Again, my name is Armin. If you're new to the page, consider dropping that follow. But peep this.
Do you hear that?
Those are the sky trumpets!
Bro, what the hell is that?
Jesus, what is that sound?
Close the door, get inside!